Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make tableside Caesar salad. We have our good friends here, Rocky and Maria, joining us today. All right, let's get cooking here. All right, we're going to start making some homemade croutons for our Caesar salad. Be careful, slice up this bread.
Cut your finger off. And we're gonna keep that in the video.
Yeah,
All right. And we got my good friend Rocco over here. He's got himself a huge pitcher of moonshine, drinking it with a straw.
It's a mega pint.
cut these into little cubes. I like big croutons.
Yeah, no kidding. Is that you making noise back there? Was that your stomach I just heard? All right.
All right, got our bread all diced up. We're gonna add some olive oil. Just drizzle that on top, like so. A little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic powder,
Some cheese?
Parmesan cheese. We're gonna throw some parsley in there.
Mix it all up with your hands.
That's what we're gonna do.
That's
Nice, now we're going to put this in the oven. I got it on 400 degrees. And every 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip them over. All right, these have been cooked for about 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and take them and just kind of flip them over. Make sure they get all cooked evenly, nice and brown. There we go. All right, croutons are ready. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice. Good. All right, we're going to start our tableside Caesar right here. We have our good friend Maria, our lovely wife Jerry Lee, our good friend Rocky, and Mama. All right, let's start making this Caesar salad. All right, we're going to start out Caesar salad. We have our anchovy here. We're going to start out with 2 fillets of anchovy.
throw them all in there.
This is for one. This is for 1 head of romaine lettuce. This will feed 2 hungry people or 4 to 5 salads, side dishes. All right, we're going to take our anchovies and we're going to take a couple of forks and we're going to go ahead and kind of disintegrate the anchovy. You don't want it lumpy.
And if you really like anchovies, you can just put some on the side after you make your salad and put them on top, which I'm gonna do.
That is a nice anchovy too.
They look good.
All right, we got our anchovies.
Really good. Yeah.
I don't eat fish. You can't really taste them.
No, you don't taste them. Not when you're cooking with them. Really, I love them
I
on
put
pizza.
a lot in the balsamic.
Yeah, I love them on pizza. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take our egg here, just 1 egg yolk. Put that in there. Put that around a bit. Now we're gonna take our garlic. I like to compress it or what do you call
Smash it?
Smash it rather than chop it.
Get your finger out of there.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put that in there.
Delicious. You need more garlic.
We have never enough of you, honey. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Teaspoon, and then a tablespoon of Worcestershire, and then juice of half of lemon. I don't want to catch those seeds as you're putting them in there.
Nice juicy lemon.
Looks nice, huh? All right, now I'll put a little salt and pepper.
So, babe, do you use any zest?
No, no zest. I don't use zest. I guess you can, but all right. Now we have all of our ingredients in there. Only thing left is the oil and cheese. All right, now it's all mixed up real nice. Now we're gonna slowly drip in the olive oil.
No. You're good.
What a nice creamy consistency. The egg yolk helps make the dressing creamy. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and add our romaine lettuce.
I gotta go turn the sauce.
Okay. Turn it up real quick for me. All right.
I'm hungry.
We got everybody's hungry. We're gonna eat in a second. Now we're gonna take some Parmesan cheese. Well, actually, no, it's not Parmesan. This is Romano cheese. Hey, who knows where the Caesar salad was invented?
Mexico.
Oh, I told you. You just gave it away.
You asked the question. I listened to the lesson.
Yeah, it's okay, Eddie.
It was.
Yeah, homemade croutons, and now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up.
I gave Maria a chance to answer. She didn't.
Most people think that it was invented in Rome, you know? I mean, Caesar, exactly. But anyway, it was invented by an Italian guy. He was an Italian immigrant who lived in Tijuana, Mexico. And he came up with this unique salad dressing. Wow, look at that. Keep going. Okay, now we have salad ready. And over here we have an antipasto. And this has got some, we have some patina cheese, we have some salami, some capicolo, and some pastrami. What did I say?
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Pastrami, okay. All right, and this right here is the eggplant salad that we made a few weeks ago. It's ready to eat. So this is fantastic with the antipasto. So we're gonna go ahead and
We
put
hope.
it, right. It'll be good. Actually, we tasted it already. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put it right in a bowl here.
I hope that was your jaw that you tried, not mine.
No, yours is you forgot.
I forgot.
Mama's looking
Ah,
out for you.
look at that. That looks wonderful, doesn't it?
Beautiful.
That's eggplant. It's got olives in it, celery, all ready to go.
Thanks to the hoarder, she said.
All right, let's dig in.
Okay. Salad. I know Rocco's hungry.
Maria, let me have your dish, please. I'll give you some salad. Right. As close as you can. All right. Rocco,
Take it all in.
Good? No, just
you want to save the big dish for the pasta.
Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, no, it's fine.
I remember when your mama cooked for us.
Oh, you remember that?
I ate all the salad and all kinds of stuff. And I said, well, that was wonderful.
Apologies for the work for
I think
this.
so.
Yeah.
And then you all said, well, the meat's ready now.
We got
You
it.
have your
Don't
plate,
worry
guys.
about
All
it.
right, cool. That's good.
All right.
Just take out the bowl.
Here you go.
Yeah.
What do you want now?
So we gotta have some gabagool.
Here you go.
You guys have bread.
Put it. Which one's the gabagool?
I guess. I don't know. I'm just.
How is everything?
Stinks.
Good. Very good.
Delicious, Polly.
Okay. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers. And we'll see you guys next time.